Marie and Loki, you promised to love, honor, and cherish one another, and today you're here to reaffirm your vows of love and respect for each other.
Marie is a wonderful person. She's friendly, loving, and caring. She makes time for the people in her life and spend quality time together. Loki are kind, caring, and loyal friends who will carry your pack up a mountain when you don't have the energy.
I will never stop loving you. Every path that we might find.
I think Marie found her perfect match in Loki, and I think Loki found his perfect match in Marie. Both have seemingly endless energy. They love the outdoors, and their love story even began on a mountain.
Anywhere life takes us to.
Marie, as if every day of our life was the first day we met, I vow to join you in all of your adventures. I feel so lucky and proud to be here with you.
You are so special to me, and these are my vows to you. I promise to support you, and I vow to live within the warmth of your heart and to always call it home.
Marie and Loki, with pleasure, I now conclude this vow renewal ceremony. You may now share a kiss as a sign of your enduring affection.
Between Marie and Loki, you can always expect the unexpected. They make a great match. So congratulations to them, and we welcome Loic and his family and friends into ours.
I remember well, it was long ago, and it's true, there's things.
I want to thank you guys all for coming. I know a lot of you traveled a long way, and getting here wasn't easy, but this really means a lot to Pam and me, and also to Marie and Loic.
Stars in the sky as our map, singing, ooh, we will climb, 'cause we belong here.
Marie and Loki.
We thought we could tell you to be open to new experiences.
But you already are. We thought we could tell you to trust each other.
But you clearly already do. We thought we could tell you to find joy in each other's company.
But you've got that covered as well.
Cloud fell down and covered us in white, and the world below was like a roll.
Thank you to support from our families and friends during this time was so meaningful to us.
And we are so grateful to have you here with us to celebrate our remarriage.
If you'll be mine, then ooh, we will climb, 'cause we belong here with the great Teton.
Marie and Loki, may you continue down the path that you have already started, and may you continue to have a life filled with happiness.
We love you.
Cheers.
If you'll be mine, then
Please raise your glasses for a toast to Loic and Marie of votre santé.
'cause ooh, you and we belong here with the great Teton.
I can only tell you guys today, keep living great and enjoy every moment. You are an inspiration for all of us. You are an inspiration for each other. This is why your story is beautiful.